EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martin here with your outlook for September 1st, 2020. Today is the start of meteorological autumn, which I'm not really a fan of so much because I really think that the autumn temperatures really don't start around here until we get into the month of October. You can have flashes of it at times with some cooler temperatures relative to what we've seen in the summer, but it's still quite warm in the month of September here around these parts, and I'm never really a fan of the meteorological seasons. So technically, meteorological autumn does start today and goes through November 30th when meteorological winter begins at that point. And again, December, kind of hit or miss. You know, it really doesn't start until our winters are really January, February, March around here anymore. So it seems like everything backed up a little bit. So I'm not really a fan of the meteorological seasons, but nevertheless, we're there today. Here is a mostly cloudy day to start the month of September, and we will be on the cooler side because of those clouds being in place. We're going to have not completely cloudy, though. We're going to have mostly cloudy skies, as evidence on the future visible satellite imagery here. This is looking at 10 o'clock in the morning. You see a lot of numbers here that are not 100s. If this was completely cloudy, you'd be at 100% coverage here. So you have mostly cloudy skies. Actually, I would call this variably cloudy. So you're going to have times it'll be more cloudy than sun, and then some sun peeking through at other times throughout the day today. So, and then overnight tonight it gets a lot more cloudy. See, this is what overcast looks like. Okay, so it's overnight tonight. We'll definitely have more clouds than we will deep during the day. We will have the sun breaking through at times today, and there still will be a chance for a stray shower. We left a stray shower in the forecast today. Probably less coverage than we saw along the Pennsylvania-Maryland border yesterday and for far southern areas in terms of rainfall. There wasn't really a lot of rain there until you got to, we were out here by central PA, south central PA near the mountains. There was a little bit more there, but most of the stuff that fell yesterday and last evening is pretty much nuisance amounts, and it just was just a pain just having that around, just like, you know, light drizzly, misty, that kind of thing. So today I don't think you're gonna have as much coverage of that today, and this can happen. Those stray showers can happen at any time during the day. And the NAM high-res future simulated radar starting us off at 7 a.m. You can see a few of these spotty showers around, but as you go through the course of the day, there's really not a whole lot. Just arbitrary pop-up showers somewhere. Very light, very brief, not a real big deal. Once we get into the overnight, though, those clouds are going to increase, and we're going to have two things going on here. We have an area low pressure that's going to be sitting, it's just a weak area low pressure. It's going to be sitting right about here. And this has a trough with it, or kind of a semblance of a cold front. Not really a cold front, but a little trough with it. This right here is tropical offshore. This is Tropical Depression 15. Now, I'll put another L out here. Okay, this is presumably going to become Tropical Storm Nana. That is a real thing. It is going to become Tropical Storm Nana. And between these two is going to be a warm front, kind of situated like this. Okay, and this warm front is going to be lifting off to the north at the same time. So once this system here offshore pulls away and becomes a tropical storm, it's not going to affect any land masses. The frontal boundary is going to lift off to the north and east. So it's going to leave Wednesday, Thursday, Friday warmer and more humid than we've seen over the past couple of days. Now, as this low pressure moves through the area, these showers are going to move through during the course of Wednesday morning. You can see that here as that low pressure moves. We're almost right over top of the region. And then later in the day, you have the opportunity for an isolated thunderstorm. And the NAM is not really thrilled with this stuff here in the morning. This is the morning hours here on Wednesday. You can see there's really not too much going on here, but then later in the day, it has some isolated thunderstorms as we get in the evening. And actually through the late evening hours, it has these storms coming through with a weak cold front. Okay, so that's going to be the first of two cold fronts. There's another one coming on Friday, and looks like that once you get through here on Thursday, not really too much going on here Thursday, but Thursday night the cold front through into Friday morning, the cold front moves through. You might have some scattered showers and thunderstorms late in the day on Thursday or overnight, and then we get to Friday, and there's really nothing left. You just have the actual cold front that's going to move through the region here during the day here on Friday with very little fanfare, other than the fact that temperatures and humidity are going to decrease on the other side of this front once it moves through. So that's going to set up a very nice weekend for us. Very nice holiday weekend. Saturday, Sunday, both mostly sunny days. Temperatures in the 70s on Saturday, maybe getting close to 80 degrees here on Sunday, but still mostly sunny nevertheless. And then we creep into the lower 80s here on Monday, Labor Day itself, with a cold front approaching here, and there could be some scattered late-day thunderstorms with that cold front. as that moves through. So we have 3 cold fronts following the warm front that's going to move through on Wednesday morning, or late tonight, Wednesday morning. One quickly on its heels, a weaker one on Wednesday, a stronger cold front on Friday that's going to be a lead of a trough that's going to get us some cooler temperatures over the weekend and some gorgeous conditions over the weekend, in fact. And then when we get to Monday, late in the day, it looks like most of your Labor Day holiday is dry. Late in the day, you have a scattered PM thunderstorm threat. But it looks like for the 3-day weekend, for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, it's not too bad at all. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Marcher, so that is your outlook for September 1st, 2020. Have a great Tuesday.